Okay, so this is just going to be a review of kind of the lower respiratory system, like it says, the gross anatomy of the lower respiratory system. So what happens is the air comes in the trachea, or in the mouth, and then goes down to this trachea, which has these cartilaginous rings that keep it sturdy and open, because we need that airway open so we can breathe. It splits into two main branches called bronchi, or bronchus. Kind of, they're the bigger branches, and then they go into the lungs and then they branch and branch and branch off into finally little tiny bronchioles, and then the alveolar ducts goes into these little alveoli, and these alveoli are very thin and have a lot of capillaries around them, and the walls are so thin that the oxygen is just able to go through from the air onto the hemoglobin, and that allows the gas exchange. So when you breathe in, the gases exchange for oxygen, carbon dioxide, and oxygen switch places, so the deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated and then you breathe it out. Some parts of the lung, just some interesting facts. The left side is smaller than the right side. That's because your heart sits down here. And so the right side, being bigger, has 3 lobes, but the left side only has 2 lobes. And they're kind of divided up into sections in that way, as in you have a branch that goes to each piece of that section. It has this center area here, so that's not just kind of bejumbled. The branches do really branch out. So in the middle where the stuff enters the lung is called the hilum. That's kind of this center area right back here. And so that's where the pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins go in and out, and then the bronchi also go in and out.